You know what's about the size of that rock he just ate? The cerebellum.
The cerebellum is learned motor functions like this.
I'm tired of your crap, Wyatt.
That means your hypothalamus is working. The hypothalamus controls body temperature, hunger, thirst, and fatigue.
Old wise one.
You seek absolution.
Actually, what's in that bottle there?
My daily intake of CSF, cerebral spinal fluid.
Mind telling me what it is?
There is precisely 150 milliliters of cerebral spinal fluid in the brain.
Have we got something to show you? The pituitary gland, which is about the size of a pea. Not that. Not that. Not that one either. That one. It's about that size. Well, it surprisingly controls basically all of the other glands in the brain. Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Well, are you having problems with your frontal lobe? You acting a little crazy? Are you just kind of done with making decisions and emotions and all that? Well, come on down. Come on down to the Frontal Lobe Emporium. We will harvest your frontal lobe, give you a good old lobotomy. You won't have to worry about a thing. You won't have to worry about emotions, thinking, choices. Sounds pretty good to me. Plus, we have this tube. Your frontal lobe goes through here and out the other side. Now that's a good deal.
I heard that.
That means its temporal lobe is working because it processes audio.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Brody! I wish my olfactory bulb wasn't working so I couldn't smell that.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Is your wife divorcing you? Are your mom and dad separated and you have to visit your dad on the weekends and stay with your mom on the weekdays? Well, let me tell you something. Come here. Come on down to the Corpus Coliseum where we will cut your corpus callosum into, that's right, 2 pieces. See you there. Same crap, different day. Oh, that was no time to exercise your pawns. The pawns control sleeping. Get up.
Oh, you know, I wish your medulla would stop working.
Why? So I would stop breathing?
Yeah. Whoa. Well, looks like my vestibular isn't working. It controls balance, and I just fell, thus losing my balance. Oh!
Vagus.
It controls swallowing. Rest well, sweet prince. He must have gone into a coma because his thalamus stopped working.
Do you remember what you look like?
No, I don't.
This video was about the hippocampus. The hippocampus controls memory. The mesencephalon controls eyes looking around.
That scene was brought to you by the hypoglossal nerve.
It's the nerve that controls sticking out your tongue. Guys, look at this dumb idiot whose occipital lobe doesn't work. Look at him walking at the trees. He's hitting them. He must be blind or something. Man, look at him. His occipital lobe just does not work. Is he vision impaired or something? What the heck is up with this guy? That's just great. Oh, is he gonna hit another one? A big guy gonna hit another one? Down for the count.
That last scene with the worm on the string, it was about grief. And it was about the limbic system. Grief affects our entire limbic system by slowing it down. My amygdala must be working because I'm really scared right now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna prank somebody really good. I'm gonna prank this guy really good. I'm gonna prank this guy. Ooh. He's gonna taste it.
That tastes pretty good.
That means your gustatory cortex is working. The gustatory cortex pretty much controls taste. It controls taste, guys. I'm the third ventricle, that's the fourth ventricle, and this is CSF. He needs some, and I got it.
Thank you for third ventricle! We're sorry. Due to an incompetency of us, the producers, we forgot to unfortunately mention that was, in fact, the cerebral aqueduct, where the third ventricle passes CSF, cerebral spinal fluid, to the fourth ventricle. Yet again, we are sorry.
I personally apologize.
Thank you.
Oh!
My cerebral cortex is definitely working because I am in so much pain.
You know, my senses seem to be working, so I think my parietal lobe is doing just fine.
The spinal cord is the long structure that extends from the medulla oblongata to the lumbar system and is made out of nervous tissue.
Brainstem.
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 The brainstem controls heart rate, breathing, and swallowing.
And other stuff.